Try to open a business bank account in Namibia without a BIPA Incorporation certificate, and your application is rejected. Try to sign a commercial lease or bid on a government tender, and you're immediately locked out. This certificate is the official birth certificate of your business. In the eyes of the state, without this specific document, your commercial entity does not legally exist. Securing this registration is the mandatory prerequisite to establish commercial legitimacy and access the financial infrastructure of the country. Taking a business from a reserved shelf name into a fully operating legal entity requires navigating a technical bureaucratic process. A single minor clerical mistake, like a mismatched share allocation on a founding statement, will trigger an automatic rejection. That kicks your application back to the start, forcing you to wait through another 7 to 14 days of manual processing delays. This is why entrepreneurs use Elidge Corporate Services. They handle the entire statutory registration process on your behalf, acting as a professional buffer between you and the registrar. By letting Elidge manage that administrative friction, business owners bypass the paperwork delays, allowing them to focus their energy on building their operations. This diagram breaks down the 4 distinct stages of BIPA registration. It starts with name reservation. You must submit specific statutory forms, the CM5 for companies or the CC8 for closed corporations, to ensure your chosen name meets government standards. Next is business registration. This requires completing the CM8 or CC81 forms and attaching certified identification and proof of address for all directors or members. The third stage is submission and fees, where your finalized application enters BIPA's manual review queue. Finally, we reach receipt and delivery. If you apply yourself, you have to physically visit the BIPA offices for collection. Elidge provides secure delivery of your original certificates directly to your doorstep or as verified digital copies via email. Managing these 4 stages independently introduces significant administrative risk. Elidge provides the specialized oversight needed to move from a name reservation to a final certificate while avoiding common technical errors. This chart compares the exact structural packages available to you. For small to medium enterprises, the Closed Corporation, or CC package, costs $2,250. This covers your foundational BIPA certificate, plus tax and Social Security Commission registrations. Elidge also facilitates the accounting officer letter for an additional $400. Financial institutions require this specific letter before they will provide corporate banking services. For larger commercial entities, you will look at the PTY Ltd route. Priced at $9,450, this is designed for companies that plan to raise external capital and bring on multiple shareholders. There are also specialized routes. A tender compliance package costs $1,850 to secure the good standing certificates required for government bids, while specialized NGO and church registrations cost $9,950. Selecting the correct registration package at the start prevents future structural bottlenecks. It aligns your legal framework directly with your long-term goals. For international operators or remote entrepreneurs, physical real estate is a significant overhead. You can establish a compliant physical presence in Namibia using Elidge's virtual office solutions. The entry-level Essential package costs $650 a month to manage your mail and courier handling. If you require zero-rate tax filing assistance and compliance due diligence, the Executive Suite provides those services for $1,650 a month. This infrastructure means geography is no longer a barrier. You can maintain a compliant corporate footprint in the Namibian market from anywhere in the world. The BIPA Incorporation certificate represents the start of a business's legal life cycle, serving as the core document required for all subsequent interactions with the Namibian state. As this network map illustrates, your BIPA certificate is the central node. It is the document you need to establish ongoing compliance with the Namibia Revenue Agency, the Social Security Commission, and the Ministry of Industrialization and Trade. A precise, accurate registration process facilitates a smooth relationship with every state regulatory agency for the entire lifetime of your business. Attempting to manually navigate the CM and CC form series without specialized corporate knowledge costs entrepreneurs a valuable and unrecoverable asset, time. If you need help with registering a business in Namibia, you can reach us on our website, elidge.com. Don't let paperwork slow down your vision. Go on our contact page and contact Elidge Corporate Services today to streamline your registration process and make your business dreams a reality. By partnering with Elidge Corporate Services, you eliminate the paperwork burden and clear a direct, legally compliant path to business operations.